How to create a business email with Google. So in this video, I'll show you how to create your own business email address. And basically, this will allow you to go and have your own custom @address at the end of your email account. So rather than having something like contact@gmail.com, what you'll be able to do is set up an email such as contact@, you can then have your businessname.com. Now, it's really easy to do, so let's go and jump straight into it. Now, the first step is you need to head over to the website google.com and then just make sure you're signed into your Google account. You can then press Gmail in the top right hand side and then click on the settings bar. Now click on See All Settings and then press Accounts and Import. You'll see using Gmail for work, businesses get your custom email here. So what we can do is press Try at no cost. And typically this will cost money, but we can start with just a 14-day free trial. So I'm going to press Try at no cost. And then you'll just need to go and enter your payment information. Now, in order to create this email account, you'll also need a domain name that you've already purchased. So if you haven't already done this, I'll show you how to do this in just a second. So we're going to press Setup using your existing domain and press Continue with this method. Now, what you'll need to do is type in your business domain name. So if you haven't already purchased this, then what you can do is use a website such as GoDaddy, and you'll need to go and purchase your domain name. Now, I've already purchased a domain on GoDaddy. You can see mine here, widereachdigital.com. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy this, and then I can enter this in my domain name and press Next. Now click on Next again. You can then create a username and password for this email account. So for the username, this is what your display name is going to be for your email address. So you could type something here like contact, so it'd be contact@widereachdigital.com, and obviously for you, it would have your business name here. You can then go and set up a password for your email account as well. Now you may get this pop-up notification, again just press Try for 14 days. And once you've done this, you'll need to go and set up your domain name. So basically, you just need to verify that you actually own this domain on GoDaddy or wherever you've purchased your domain name. So we're going to press Get Started and then press Switch to Manual Verification. You can then click on the drop down and go and select where you purchase your domain to. So for me, mine is GoDaddy like this. And then you can press Continue. Now, in order to confirm that this domain name belongs to us, we need to add a text record. So what you need to do is head back over to your hosting account where you purchase your domain to. So for me, mine is GoDaddy, but yours could be another hosting provider. You then need to head inside of the DNS settings. You can then scroll down to Add New Record, and you can either add the record manually, or in GoDaddy, they have this option, and this is a way to verify your domain ownership. So I'm going to press the Verify Domain Ownership button, and you just need to add the text record provided by Google. So you just need to go and copy this content one here, and then we can add that to our GoDaddy profile. You can then press Verify, and it will automatically add that as a DNS record. Now, like I said, if you don't have this option on your hosting account, you can add the record manually just by filling in all of these options. Now, once you've added this, head back over to Google and confirm you've made the changes, and then just press Confirm. You'll then need to wait a few minutes while it confirms that you verified the domain. You'll then see this message, your domain is verified, and then you can press Activate Gmail. Now click on Continue, click on Proceed with Activation, and you may need to go through another verification step. So again, you can do the manual verification by clicking this option, and again, we just need to come back over to the domain and press Add New Record. You can go and fill in all of the information here. So I'm going to copy this value data. You can go and add this here. I'm going to set the priority, and then for the name, just type in the @ symbol. Now go and press Save. And once you've done that, head back over to Gmail, confirm that you've made the changes and press Confirm. Now, once you've done this, as you can see, your Gmail is now activated. So if you head back over to the Google website and click on your profile icon, you can now go and sign in with that new Gmail account that we just created. You can now click on Gmail, and you'll now be able to start using this business email account.